push that in, it falls right off. Slide it up. Hey, Can't Let Her Die DIY here. We're going to change our windshield wipers. Just lift up on the arm, the wiper arm like this. And if you look in here, there's a little tab. See that tab right there? Push that in, depress that tab, and slide it towards you like that. Now a lot of wipers, you push down on the tab right here, and then you pull down this way. But on this one, it's like a premium wiper, and it's got a secret compartment right there. It's a Rain-X. You push that up first, then you push the tab, and you pull it down towards your truck, like that. Now the auto drive, it's a little different, and it's a little more complicated. You gotta push in on this tab, and the one on the other side as well. You do that, you push that all the way in, depress that, like this, and it opens up, and then that goes on the same way as the Rain-X one does. And there is the tab that you depress to remove it. So you simply just slide it in there like that, and until it locks in. You heard that snap, and then you push down on that, and that's all there is to it. You see how that works? There's the tab, and there's the little square piece that fits inside the square piece on this arm right there. Square piece, square piece. That's how it works. So you put it in this way. You have the tab on the bottom, and to install the new one, you just do the reverse. You just slide it up, and you hear the click, and it can't come off. Now, a lot of people make the mistake of putting it on backwards, so that it may be like this, and they try to put it on this way. If you do that, you can get it on, and they think it's done, but it falls right off. It doesn't snap in place, because you have this tab on this side. It has to be on the other side. It has to be like that, so that this would go like this. So the tab has to be on the inside. You see how that works? And once you have this installed, don't forget to take off this protective strip. A lot of people forget this. Can you see that? Sliding right on. That's just packaging. Don't forget to take that off. That's the other mistake people make. And it'll last you for years. If you've broken off your tab, we can fix that ourselves. I got a video on that. Many people break that little tab off. Don't buy a new one. Check out this video right here. You got this. You do.